Holiday season arrives. Cooking demands increase. Family gatherings need food. But here's the truth. Home cooking is your secret weapon. 80% of holiday meals come from restaurants or stores. Convenience, temptation, excess calories everywhere.
But home cooking changes everything. Control, quality, intention. Holiday meals transformed.
70% of your meals prepared at home. That's your holiday foundation. Non-negotiable.
I'm Macro. Nutrition perspective, home-prepared meals contain 40% fewer calories than restaurant equivalents.
Home cooking means ingredient control. No hidden oils, no excess sodium, no mystery calories.
Home-cooked meals are nutritionally superior. Real food, less processing, maximum nutrient density. Cooking is also meditation. Chopping, stirring, seasoning. Presence practice during holiday chaos. Holiday cooking brings family together. Multi-generational participation. Tradition building. That's irreplaceable. Home-cooked meals mean something. Time investment. Care demonstration. Love expressed through cooking. I'm SC Ions. Research confirms home-prepared meals support weight maintenance better than restaurant-dependent eating.
Home cooking provides better gut health, real food, fiber content, probiotic-friendly ingredients.
Home cooking reduces inflammation, less processing, less additives, less inflammatory responses. Home cooking educates you. You understand ingredients. You control methods. Knowledge prevents overeating. Here's how to implement 70% home cooking. Planning, shopping, prep, execution. Start with weekly planning. Sunday meal prep. Identify recipes. List ingredients. Schedule cooking. Shop strategically. Perimeter shopping. Fresh foods, frozen vegetables, dried herbs. Quality proteins always. Batch cook. Prepare large quantities. Portion. Freeze. Daily meals already prepared. Convenient. Control. I'm Flavor. Culinary perspective. Home cooking maximizes flavor through technique and quality ingredients. Roasting, sautéing, braising. Grilling technique brings out natural flavors without excess calories.
Herbs, spices, citrus, umami ingredients. Flavor without fat. That's culinary mastery.
Holiday breakfasts, eggs, oatmeal, toast, smoothies. Home prepared means protein inclusion guaranteed.
Lunches, leftover management, soup, salad, sandwich. Planned ahead means no emergency takeout.
And dinners, holiday occasion cooking, prime rib, salmon, turkey. Celebration meals prepared at home.
Snacks, pre-portioned, fruit, nuts, yogurt. Home-prepared snacks prevent desperate eating.
Organize your kitchen. Good knives, cutting board, containers. Quality tools make cooking enjoyable. Home cooking doesn't require hours. 30-minute meals, slow cooker, instant pot, modern efficiency. Home cooking costs 40% less than restaurant eating. Quality food, lower cost, win-win.
I'm Savor. Eating perspective. Home-cooked meals invite genuine presence and appreciation.
Family meals around home-cooked food build connection.
Conversation.
Quality time. That's irreplaceable. Home-cooked meals encourage gratitude, appreciation for food, for effort, for nutrition. That's spiritual. I'm ZEN. Mindfulness perspective. Cooking is meditation. Chopping present, stirring aware, tasting conscious.
Cooking relieves stress, creative expression, hands engaged, mind present. Holiday anxiety reduces. Home cooking is self-care. You're nourishing yourself, your family, your body, your soul.
I'm POR. Strength perspective. Home cooking provides nutrition for muscle preservation and strength maintenance. Home cooking means proper protein integration, adequate amounts, quality sources, muscle support guaranteed. Home-cooked nutrition builds sustainable strength. January, still strong. February, stronger. Long-term advantage. Let's address real scenarios. Holiday party coming. Your home-cooked dish brings nutritional certainty. Party strategy. Bring your home-cooked dish. Ensures healthy option available. Shares your excellence. Host family dinner. Your kitchen. Your menu. Your nutritional control. Everyone benefits. Online grocery shopping. Delivery options. Still home cooking. Convenience doesn't eliminate cooking benefit. Dietary restrictions? Home cooking accommodates everything. Allergies, preferences, limitations become simple. Start simple. 5-ingredient meals. Slow cooker. One-pot wonders. Complexity comes gradually. Build recipe collection. Online resources. Cookbooks. Holiday favorites. Repetition builds mastery.
Videos, classes, apps, cooking education available everywhere. Skill development is accessible.
Your home cooking becomes family tradition. Recipes passed down. Memories attached. Legacy. Consistency matters more than perfection. One home-cooked meal weekly beats 0 attempted. Perfection not required. Burned edges acceptable. Adjustments allowed. Cooking is forgiving. Currently eating 0 home-cooked meals? Target 1, then 2. Gradual progression prevents overwhelm.
Home cooking community exists. Share recipes, ask questions, learn together. Support available. After 1 week home cooking, food quality awareness. After 2 weeks, cost savings. After 4 weeks, visible results. Your grocery bill decreases. Restaurant spending eliminates. Financial freedom emerges. Your nutrition quality improves. Real food, less processing, more nourishment. Body responds. Your family's health improves. Children learn cooking. Healthier habits develop. Legacy grows. Your cooking confidence grows. New recipes mastered. Techniques refined. Culinary identity emerges. Cooking becomes creative outlet. Experimenting, expressing, celebrating. Artistry through food. Your family sees your commitment. They're inspired. Cooking becomes valued skill. That matters.
Home cooking becomes sustainable. January, still cooking. February, stronger. That's real change. Over time, cooking becomes identity. You're not trying. You're a home cook. That's mastery. You're capable of this. 70% home cooking? Absolutely possible. You're stronger than you know.
Here's what you do. Today, right now, choose one recipe. Shop ingredients, start cooking. Breakfast, cook it. Lunch, prepare ahead. Dinner, your kitchen. Start today.
Commit to cooking. Write it down. Tell someone. Make it real. Non-negotiable. You're not alone. The Fit Foodie family is here. We believe in your cooking mastery. From flavor, cooking, and nutrition, we're backing your home cooking commitment completely. Share your cooking journey with us. Comment your favorite recipe. Tell us your commitment. Subscribe to Fit Foodie Essentials. Tomorrow, resistance training mastery with power. Join us. Your home cooking transforms everything. Nutrition, health, family, confidence. That's the power.
Thank you for choosing home cooking mastery. Thank you for committing. Thank you for joining this journey. Make this your best holiday season ever. Cook at home. Feel the difference. Experience the transformation.
Cooking mastery complete. Video 3 done. Your cooking journey continues tomorrow.
We're the Fit Foodie family. 10 perspectives. One goal, your thriving holiday season through home cooking.
Cooking, nutrition, flavor. 3 powerful perspectives working for your holiday success. Tomorrow, resistance training mastery with PO'er. Tomorrow at same time. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you tomorrow. Subscribe. Hit notifications. Make home cooking your holiday superpower.
70% home cooked, non-negotiable. Starting today, your commitment begins now.
Control, quality, cost savings, family connection, confidence building. That's what awaits. You're ready for this. Your holiday transformation starts with one decision: cook at home. Your transformed holiday awaits. Nourished, connected, strong, confident. That's your future. From cooking, flavor, nutrition, and enjoyment, your transformation is guaranteed.
Commit now. Your cooking commitment starts your transformation. No waiting, no delays. Today.
Daily cooking practice. That's power. That's how you change. One meal at a time. You will win this holiday season. Home cooking mastery is your victory. Claim it completely.
Thank you for today. Thank you for this commitment. Thank you for showing up.
The Fit Foodie family is with you forever. Every meal cooked. Every choice. Every day. Go forth with peace and cooking mastery. Your kitchen. Your meals. Your transformation. Your cooking mastery becomes embodied success. Your kitchen knows. Your family knows. Your body knows. You are a cooking champion, home kitchen master, health creator. That's your identity now. Until tomorrow, keep cooking, keep growing, keep believing. Holiday Cooking Mastery, Video 3, complete. Your culinary journey continues tomorrow. Celebrate this win. You showed up, you listened, you're ready to cook. This is just the start. Your cooking journey unfolds. Tomorrow brings strength training mastery. Flavor, cooking, nutrition, and enjoyment. Home cooking is your holiday foundation. Your power awaits. Your holiday awaits. Your cooking mastery awaits. Move forward. Cooking mastery delivered. Your commitment received. Your journey honored. Until tomorrow's Strength Training Mastery video, subscribe, prepare, commit. Cook right now. 70% home meals. Your holiday transformation begins today. Gratitude for you, for your commitment, for your courage, for showing up.
You've got this. You've absolutely got this. Cooking mastery is yours.
Your best holiday begins now. Cook at home. Thrive. Celebrate. Transform. Cooking is power. Power is you. You are cooking mastery. This is your path, your kitchen, your mastery. Own it completely. Believe in your power, your cooking power, your holiday transformation power. Momentum is building. Your cooking, your health, your holiday victory. Video 3 complete, but this is just beginning. Tomorrow, Strength Training Mastery awaits. The Fit Foodie family together. Your cooking community. Your holiday support system. Until tomorrow, keep that cooking momentum. Your best holiday season starts now.
Thank you for cooking. Thank you for believing. Thank you for being here.
Cooking forever. That's your commitment. That's your victory. That's your transformation. Go with mastery. Go with nutrition. Go with your holiday excellence. Your future is bright. Your holiday is transformed. Your mastery is assured. Holiday cooking mastery complete. Your journey continues tomorrow. See you then. Now, go cook your meal.